How to Make Your First Million Part 1. Hey there, if you're watching this, chances are you're ready to make your first million. I'm not gonna waste your time with fluff. Let's dive straight into the practical steps to get there. It's totally possible, but it's going to take hustle, strategy, and a solid mindset. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Develop $1 million mindset. The first step? Your mindset. You can't make $1 million if you don't believe it's possible for you. You need to embrace a growth mindset, being open to learning, failing, and improving. Think big. If you're only thinking small, your actions will follow suit. Believe you're worthy of wealth, and then get comfortable with the idea of risk. Remember, most self-made millionaires didn't start with a huge advantage. They just kept pushing, kept learning, and kept improving. You need that same determination. Step 2. Learn a high-income skill. Step 2 is to develop a high-income skill. What's that? A skill that allows you to command a premium price for your work. It could be tech, like coding or web design, or something like digital marketing, sales, copywriting, or consulting. The key is to learn something people are willing to pay for and pay well. Don't wait around for someone to hand you an opportunity. Go out and create your own. You can learn these skills online, tons of free resources, but the faster you level up, the faster you'll start seeing the results. See you in the next video.